Introducing Viral Tales AI. Create unlimited YouTube Kids Stories videos in minutes that attract millions of views, subscribers, and commissions. Without any tech skills, creativity, or monthly fees. And all it takes is just 3 simple steps. To create a highly engaging, professional, and profitable animated kids story video with Viral Tales AI. Step 1. Select from our library of pre-made templates, copy-paste, or craft a compelling and engaging kid story in just one click with AI. Step 2. Our AI then converts it to scenes, add text, images, voiceovers, music, branding, and more to make it unique and engaging. Hit Generate. Step 3. In minutes, your high-quality animated kids story video will be ready to be shared on YouTube, attracting millions of views and subscribers. You can now create hundreds of videos, explore different storylines, and gain massive success with Viral Tales AI. We wanted to make it as simple as possible for you to tap into this niche and make money without any barriers. And with our secret weapon, the 3S framework, you'll be able to grow your subscribers and views exponentially without spending a single penny. Viral Tales AI will do all of the following and more for you. Awesome features. 100% cloud-based software. There is no need for you to install anything. Just sign up and you can access our software from anywhere on Earth. As long as there is an internet connection available, you are good to go. 3 different modes to create engaging, profitable kids story videos quickly. Get 3 different modes to create diverse, unique, and attractive videos with Viral Tales AI. You get complete flexibility to create videos as you want. Easy mode. This mode is perfect for beginners with no technical skills or experience. Advanced mode. For those who want more control over their videos, this mode allows you to customize subtitles, text/background colors, transition effects, and select specific images for your storyline. Hyper mode. This mode is for experienced users who want to take their videos to the next level. It includes all the features of easy and advanced modes, plus an intro/outro feature and aspect ratio options for different platforms. Create captivating story scripts for kids in one click. With just few keywords and single click of a mouse, you can create different versions of an engaging and captivating story that will keep kids entertained and coming back for more. No more struggling with ideas or worrying about the quality of your content. Effortlessly create engaging AI characters and images for your stories. Find the perfect images for your story with our AI-based image generator. You can choose from a library of high-quality characters and illustrations, or use your own images to add that personal touch. Save time and effort by using our one-click image generation feature. Bring your stories to life with human-like voiceovers. Choose from over 200 voices in 50+ languages to create high-quality voiceovers for your stories. Our AI voice technology ensures that the voices sound natural and engaging, making your videos even more captivating. Captivating music for your videos that will keep kids glued to the screen. Add background music to your videos with a few clicks. Choose from different genres and moods, or upload your own music for a personal touch. Reach a broader audience with one-click subtitle generator. It's proven that 85% of users prefer to watch videos with subtitles. Now you can reach a broader audience with our one-click subtitle generator. This feature automatically takes the text from your voiceover and turns it into captivating subtitles that can be used on any platform: YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook, and more. Brand your videos with intro/outro screens. Brand your videos with your logo and message using our intro/outro screens. This will make your videos stand out, look professional, and leave a lasting impression on viewers. Create recall value of your brand for all visitors. Design captivating thumbnails that get more views. With Viral Tales AI, you can design captivating thumbnails that will get more views on YouTube. Choose from a variety of templates, customize them to your liking, and attract millions of views with eye-catching thumbnails. Elevate your kids' stories with Image Background Remover tool. Want to insert custom characters, your own image? Just upload any image, and with the help of AI technology, you can remove the background from any image in seconds. Easily create custom characters or add your own images to make your videos more unique. Enhance your images with our advanced image former tool. Transform ordinary images into professional, high-quality visuals using our advanced image former tool. Upload any image and restore faces, colorize images, and remove imperfections to create stunning visuals that captivate your audience. Different aspect ratio options for multiple platforms. Easily change the aspect ratio of your videos with just one click to fit different platforms like YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook and more. No need to create separate videos for each platform. 16:9 or 9:16 or square videos, ViralTales AI has got you covered. One-click social sharing to gain more exposure and views. Easily share your videos on different social media platforms such as YouTube, Instagram Reels, Facebook and more with just one click. This will help you reach a larger audience and get more views, subscribers, and ultimately more revenue. Why ViralTales AI? Here are the major benefits you'll get from ViralTales AI. Capture the untapped, the unconventional, and the unbelievable. There is literally no competition in this niche, and it's highly profitable. It's like having a blue ocean at your fingertips. You can now gain massive success without fighting for views or subscribers. Get the first mover advantage and dominate. ViralTales AI is the first of its kind software that combines the power of AI with storytelling to create stunning animated videos in minutes. By being an early adopter, you'll have a significant advantage over your competitors and dominate the niche. Save time, money, effort and resources. No need for complicated tools, animation skills, or outsourcing. ViralTales AI handles everything for you under one dashboard. You can now create engaging, high-quality videos in just minutes without any additional cost. YouTube favors kids-friendly content and pushes them to millions. YouTube loves kids-friendly content and often promotes it on their platform, leading to millions of views and subscribers. Even new channels can gain a significant following with our software and secret weapon. Newbie-friendly, easy to use and no skills required. Even if you have zero technical skills, you can still create awe-inspiring videos with just a few clicks. Our software and secret weapon are designed to get you results quickly, even if you're a complete newbie. Tap into an evergreen and multi-billion-dollar market. The kids' entertainment industry is booming, and there's no better time to get into it and make a profit. With ViralTales AI, you can tap into this evergreen market and gain massive success for years to come. Get results fast, no waiting, no failing and no guessing. With our 3S framework and AI technology, you'll see results almost instantly. Say goodbye to waiting weeks or months for a single video to be created and hoping for success. With ViralTales AI, it's guaranteed. To infinity and beyond. With ViralTales AI, there's no limit to how many videos you can create, or how many subscribers and views you can gain. You have unlimited potential to scale your success and make a name for yourself in this niche. Free updates in forever. We don't just give you a product and walk away. We do our best to keep improving the product. We will continue to release new features and updates for free into the future. 24/7 support and 100% uptime guaranteed. Our team is always available to help. Whether you need help finding the perfect image or video or have a question about any of our products, we're here to assist you. Limited time. Fast action bonuses. But I am not stopping with just this, because I want you to succeed with your online business. Therefore, I am going to help you out even more by offering 10 additional bonuses that can help increase your results. Will be stripped off after launch period is over. Fast action bonus number 1. Commercial license. During launch period only. The commercial license allows you to use our videos in any way you want. You call sell videos created with ViralTales AI to clients for any price you want. You can sell them on Fiverr, Upwork, Warrior Forum, anywhere you want. Value $297. Fast action bonus number 2. Live web class. Join our live web class where we show you the fastest, fail-proof, plug-and-play system to make $10,000 per month just by giving away free passes. Learn the exact system with the step-by-step training, even if you're a beginner. Value $297. Fast action bonus number 3. Boxed Bounty. Master the blueprint to a successful subscription box business and maximize profits. Discover the explosive growth of the subscription box industry and why now is the golden time to dive in. Unlock the secrets of specialization in a saturated market, ensuring your subscription box stands out every time. Value $97. Fast action bonus number 4. Storytelling advantage. Discover how storytelling can give you an edge over your competitors. Find how to craft a compelling story that resonates with your audience and drives them to take action. Learn how to use storytelling to build trust with your audience and create a lasting connection. See how to incorporate storytelling into all aspects of your marketing, including website copy, social media, email marketing, and more. Value $97. Fast action bonus number 5. The unshakable super affiliate. As you start getting traffic with Viral Tales AI, use our secret affiliate strategies to quickly achieve your first $100, $500, and $1,000. How to stand out and build a long-term, sustainable, profitable, and unshakable online business with affiliate marketing. Value $197. Fast action bonus number 6. Social stories. Reach more people than ever before with social stories. Find out how you can grow a loyal following quickly and easily, and without breaking the bank, by seizing the power of social stories. Value $67. Fast action bonus number 7. Free Facebook traffic strategies. To successfully drive free traffic from Facebook, you have to know what works and what doesn't. Other marketers have tried driving free traffic from Facebook and failed. You will learn everything that you need to know to use the Facebook platform to generate free traffic. Value $67. Fast action bonus number 8. Free Instagram traffic. Learn how to use Viral Tales AI videos to grow your audience on Instagram. This guide will help you to define your audience, retain them, attract more followers, create an online store, drive traffic to your website, and avoid common mistakes. Value $67. Fast action bonus number 9. 100x YouTube advertising. Want to 100x your results with YouTube ads? Launch a successful YouTube video campaign quickly. Learn how to reach new audiences, maximize traffic and profits with YouTube advertising. Value $67. Fast action bonus number 10. Business amplified. Discover the fastest way to level up your business and unlock incredible revenue opportunities that are currently untapped. Learn how to quickly expand your outreach, build a massive customer base, and engage your audience in a way that will skyrocket your income and drive in more traffic than ever before. Value $67. Viral Tales AI is the perfect choice for affiliate marketers who want to tap into this untapped, unconventional, and insanely profitable niche and make big money with the least amount of effort. YouTube marketers who want to create highly engaging animated stories for kids and gain millions of views. Social media marketers who want to attract more followers and fans. Bloggers and website owners who want to attract and engage a younger audience and monetize their traffic. Local businesses who want to target parents, kids, and families to promote their products and services. E-com, Shopify, and Amazon sellers who want to sell kids-related products and services with videos that attract millions of views. Coaches and course creators who want to create fun, educational animated stories for kids or add an extra stream of income. And anyone who wants to tap into this evergreen, multi-billion-dollar market and make profits without any barriers or limitations. So what's the price? Imagine spending $1 to $5 per click on Facebook or Google ads just to acquire a lead. Or spending countless hours trying to generate free traffic with little to no results. What if I told you that you could get unlimited free traffic with just a few videos, a few minutes of your time, and a small investment? With Viral Tales AI, you can create as many engaging and profitable animated kids story videos as you want. And each video has the potential to attract millions of views and subscribers from all over the world. Today you can get access to Viral Tales AI for a low one-time price of just Premium. Free commercial license plus low one-time price. During launch period only. Create unlimited YouTube Kids story videos in minutes that attract millions of views, subscribers, and commissions. Even for newbies. Capture the untapped, the unconventional, the unbelievable, no competition in this highly profitable niche. First mover advantage and dominance, be an early adopter of the first AI-powered storytelling software. Save time, money, effort, and resources, no need for complex tools or outsourcing, everything under one dashboard. Newbie-friendly and easy to use, no technical skills required, designed for quick results. Tap into an evergreen and multi-billion-dollar market, profit from the booming kids entertainment industry. 3 different modes to create engaging, profitable kids story videos quickly. Create captivating stories for kids in one click. Effortlessly create engaging AI characters and images for your stories. Bring your stories to life with human-like voiceovers. Captivating music for your videos that will keep kids glued to the screen. Reach a broader audience with one-click subtitle generator. Brand your videos with intro/outro screens. Design captivating thumbnails, get more views. One-click social sharing to gain more exposure and views. Low one-time price during launch period only. Fast action bonus number 1, unlimited commercial license, during launch period only, value $297. Fast action bonus number 2, live web class, value $297. Fast action bonus number 3, boxed bounty, value $97. Fast action bonus number 4, storytelling advantage, value $97. Fast action bonus number 5, the unshakable super affiliate, value $197. Fast action bonus number 6, social stories, value $67. Fast action bonus number 7, free Facebook traffic strategies, value $67. Fast action bonus number 8, free Instagram traffic, value $67. Fast action bonus number 9, 100x YouTube advertising, value $67. Fast action bonus number 10, business amplified, value $67. Retail price $97 per month. Or even more. But today you get everything. At just a low one-time payment. Special launch price. $47.27 per month. Today only $17.95 one time. Get extreme version below. Extreme version, unlock multiple story options plus unlock ability to create story video in over 100 languages plus additional premium transitions for video plus additional premium video elements in editor. So, how can we afford to sell it for such a low one-time price? Because this is a limited time, one-time offer. After the launch, we will be increasing the price to match other video platforms, i.e., we will turn into monthly subscription model. We need lots of resources to run this business and we need to make sure we can continue to make it available for all of you. And this way we will be able to support our operations more effectively, have enough resources for new features and develop the platform further. Remember, the low one-time price will never be offered again. You will lose out big if you don't grab this deal now. Click the button below and we guarantee that you won't regret this decision, ever. Free commercial license plus low one-time price during launch period only. Click here to get your copy now. Click here to get your copy now. There is no risk. You are covered by our 30-day money-back guarantee. If you are not completely satisfied with your purchase within 30 days of buying Viral Tales AI, we will refund 100% of your money, no questions asked. However, we are sure that you'll love Viral Tales AI so much and see the value in it that you won't ask for a refund. Nothing could be more fair than that. Don't delay, you know it can change your life. Free commercial license plus low one-time price during launch period only. Click here to get your copy now.